Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to deactivate or delete Facebook account. So to start, open Facebook app. So next, click your profile at the bottom right corner. Next, go to settings at the top right corner. Now from here, go to your account and tap on account center. Next, scroll down and go to manage accounts. Next, tap the account or choose the account that you want to deactivate or delete. So for example, this one, so click on manage. Now next, what you need to do is to click on deactivation or deletion. Next, so choose what you want or what you want to do so you can deactivate your account or delete your account in here. So for example, let's say we want to deactivate it. So click deactivate and click continue. So make sure you read all of this. So pages and profiles that will be deactivated are the following. Then once done, click continue. So next, you need to enter your password for security purposes and click continue. Now choose the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Choose one and click continue. Then scroll down. So if you want to reactivate your account, so click on the drop down arrow from here and choose the days. So reactivate this account in, for example, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or so on. Or you can choose don't reactivate automatically. Then click on done and click continue. So confirm temporary account deactivation. So click deactivate my account once more. So once you click that, your account will be deactivated. So same as if you want to delete your account. So it's just the same steps. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.